Hello, welcome to my channel, the AI Times, unlocking the future newsletter. Yes, welcome to my channel. Yes, I've been sharing a today's AI agenda. What is in today's AI agenda? Latest AI newsletter, five latest AI newsletter. Now we have AI research paper. Then third session is related to the latest AI tools. Yeah, which will be exciting latest AI tools. And last, stay tuned. I've been sharing to you a prompt training which is related to ChatGPT prompt and Midjourney prompt. So yeah, I'm not wasting your time. Let's heading towards my first AI newsletter and in AI's agenda. Today's AI agenda. So what is the news today? First news is OpenAI unveils a Dolly E3. Amazon Alex gets some major AI upgrades. OpenAI hustles to beat a Google's AI launch. Unity's new fees spark a developer revolt. Microsoft targets 2028 for next Xbox. So first news: OpenAI unveils Dolly E3. So what is this news related to that? Mhm. So yeah, what's the news related to this is about OpenAI enables Dolly E3. What is the report has been saying? Well, I've been sharing one of the great research paper of related to this, and this one is the summarized one. And this is over the article about the Dolly 3 on the page of the OpenAI. So yeah, my PC has been slow. Sorry for that. So yeah, that was the article related to this. And Dolly 3 understands significantly more nuances and details than our previous systems, allowing you to easily translate your ideas into exponentially accurate image. So yeah, it is updated and this is now available in Dolly 3. But if you're using a Bing Chat, go and use the Microsoft Image Creator. This is the same Dolly E3 one. Yes, I think so. It is the one free one, and it will be a premium one if you want to use a Dolly E3 in a ChatGPT and OpenAI. So far, it's been updated and it's creating really, really exciting and really illustrated image and great image. So yeah, go and try it. This was articles over, and what is the summarized one of this article? This is what the report is saying about this. OpenAI just announced that E3 is a massive update to the next two major platforms that will interrogate directly into Chat GPT and significantly improve the quality details. What is real is E3 decreases the prompt engineering, allowing users to speak a conversational with a ChatGPT generate image outputs. Example showing the capability to accurately generate text, a major unlock seen recently in the ideogram, but still absent in Midjourney. The update will be available to Plus and Enterprise users in October. Artists can open out of image from the future model's training, while E3 will always declines to emulate a living status stylus. Check out a video here if you want to. Yeah, why it's better not only the image quality E3 extremely competitive to Midjourney, but the fact that it's directly integrating into ChatGPT is a major unlock, and this is reliable text generations and just as icing on the cake. Yeah, it's cool and try this Midjourney. Oh, sorry for the try this role E3. They have updated and now it's been creating really well. I think so, but I have not using it all E3 because it is a premium version. I've been using a Bing Chat. In that Bing Chat, you can use a Microsoft Image Generator, which is the same one. So Dolly E3. So yeah, that was my first news. And my second news related to the Amazon Alex gets a major AI upgrades. What the report has been saying. Well, that was one summarized one article, but I will go through the where the article is related to this. This is one. Yeah, this is one articles, and sharing to you is one that one is some not a summary. There is a whole reel in bunch of reel in this. Amazon is set to supercharge Alex with a generative AI. Amazon assistant now its own Alex LLM post to improve the brain on your smart home thanks to its extensive knowledge of smart home API. So Amazon's Alex is about to come out of the sale, and it's what emerged could be a very interesting. In its fall hardware event Wednesday, the company released an all-new Alex voice assistant powered by its new Alex large language model, according to Dave Lamb. Yes, Amazon current SVP the voice and the services. This is a new Alex can understand the conversational phrases and respond to appropriately interpret context more effectively and complete multiple requests from the one command. So that was one article and I've been sharing to you this one summarized one. All the reports been saying on that article says Amazon just revealed a new Alex voice assistant followed by a proprietary LLM explicitly designed for smartphone and control and more natural conversations. What is the key point in this? The new Alex LLM will allow interpreting a changing request, and unweighing a Vigo queries like a human. New dev tools also let device makes a tap Alex AI to enable more conversational products and controls. Amazon is continuously rolling it out within the US first to test a real world performance before expanding accesses. What are your thoughts on this? The breakneck speed of AI advancement has made a consumer assistants like Alex and Siri feel primitive, infusing more advanced AI into these widely adopted voice assistants is sorely needed to move and one that may finally make them actually useful. So yeah, that was related to Amazon gets a major upgrade. And my third news is related to the OpenAI hustle to beat Google's AI launch. So yeah, heading towards the article where this article is being. Oh, so here's the article. OpenAI hustle to beat Google's to launch a multi-modal LLM. As you've been listening about the Gemini, and that will be against the OpenAI, but OpenAI now are becoming up. They are looking at one of the great and more generative AI large language models. Yes, introducing yes, and models can work and text alike, and producing a code for a website just be a saying and sketching of what you user wants to the site to look like. For intents or splitting out and text analyzing of visual chats, or do not have to ask your engagement friends what these ones mean. Close to it has been upcoming a Gemini multimodal LLM with a small group of outside companies as I scoped last week, but OpenAI wants to beat Google to the punch. The Microsoft-backed startup is racing an integrate with GPT-4's most advanced LLM with a multimodal feature. Gemini will offer is another persons with a knowledge of the situation. OpenAI review those features when it relaunched in GPT-4 in March, but do not make the available as such to one of the company be easy as. So that was the articles, but in payment version. If you want to read full one, go and subscribe it. This one articles, but I will show you one of the yes, yes, one of the summarize one. Google's means needs its Gemini launch. OpenAI is rushing towards releases a multi-modal feature, just integrated them into GPT-4, according to the information. For the key point, Google and OpenAI aim to launch a next generations of AI multimodal models that understand the text and image. OpenAI could make a GPT-4 existing image feature public as GPT versions to complete them compete with the Gemini. The company is also considering a Gobi is now model design as a multi-model from scratch, which could eventually become a GPT-5. The report consists of the OpenAI upcoming November developer conferences promises to great new tools. What thoughts the two heavily hitters are trading blowing on the airways, but OpenAI rush to launch its multi-mode options could signal that it considers Google's Gemini is serious threat. Grab your popcorn. It feels like a things are about to seriously heat up. So yeah, it was exciting that both these are been rushing towards and making really great exciting news for the viewers, for their customers, and for the people which are being involved in yes, using these tools, multimodal tools of LLM language models and these AI tools. And these two companies are being great in their work, and they are been doing, and they are now in coming the real race. And which one? Let's see in November. It will be in conferences, and who won is the first one, a Gemini or it's been an OpenAI? So yeah, that was my third, and then my fourth news, Unity. Related to the Unity, yes, Unity use fees spark a developer revolt. What is the report has been saying in this? It has been well, it's been summarized, and I was going towards its whole article. Unity plans to change its discuss to its new pricing programs. So Unity plans to change the forthcoming pay per install programming. Game developers, we apologize for the confusions in the routine fee policy we announced on Tuesday. Cause Unity posted on X firmly Twitter. We listening talking to our team members, community, customers, and partners, and will be make changes to policy. We will share updated and copy of the days. The new communication with Unity comes after the nearly a week of a clarification, iteration, and growing force of the upsets of the developer who threatened not only remove their games from the engine but also a potential class actions lawsuit. So under the 2022 new plan, yes, Unity will limit fees to 4% of the game's revenue for the customer making over 1 billion and said that installations counted towards reaching the threshold would not be retroactive, wrote a Bloomberg report. Jason Shaw. So yeah, that was related to the Unity. Yeah, it was some of the report been saying game developing platform Unity is backtracking on its controversial pre-install fee structure a week after its announcement caused an intense backlash and led to developers threatening to leave the platform or to keep an original plan charged $0.20 per install after 20K copies sold, concerning many idea developers. Popular games like Among Us said they would lay a feature or a port to other engines to avoid the fees. Unity apologized and will probably expect first installs limit fees to 4% of revenue over $1 million. Unity new method of install tracking would be really on rely on developers self-reporting, aiming to tax the highest earning games on the platform. Why it matters? Unity face uphill battles to rebuild goodwill after ignoring creators' realities, and backlash shows that platform success depends on the empowering the developers, not squeezing the finance. So typical news for the Unity ones and the customers. So yeah, I think they will solve it, and they putting a clearing up on this what they've been saying about the product. So yeah, and last my AI news led to Microsoft targeted 228 for the next Xbox. Cool is that? Who's a super who of the using a Xbox? Yeah, that for news for them. Yes, someone is using Xbox and he's really yes good in Xbox and want to be a part of the Xbox team. So it's news for them. Yeah, so yeah, if someone is like an Xbox gaming, yes, I do like, but I have not purchased any type of Xbox right now. But in future, I will be. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, what is the news related to this? Microsoft is excuse is expected to spring 20 to launch the next Xbox consoles in 2028 and will consider a more flexible approach towards gaming hardware, according to the internal shared blog. Federation Trade Commission lawsuit block a Microsoft purchase of the activations. Daring the news 20 launch plan was suffered in a May 22 meeting among more than dozens of senior Microsoft executives attended by CEO Steve Needle, CFO Annie Hoard, and head of the gaming Phil Spencer, among others, according to the documents. A brief shared exchange on non-Xbox executives gaming leadership team whether the next Xbox will ever we hear from the traditional supporters who consoles having fixed hardware standards and it will make a developer for. Why they're saying one of the things are consoles they have been really great giving a very clear platform target for developers. Game development kit has been really good at this. Emoji Gozels Anand Gosala, a corporate vice president of immersive experience, wrote in the chat at one point. So yeah, that was a whole articles on this, and but I have summarized one that will show you more module in it, and I will be summarizing what it has been saying over there. Microsoft is eyeing on 2020 for the new Xbox consoles launch, and I have also discussed our more flexible hardware approach. According to the court document revealed in an FTF lawsuit against this company. Details internal yes, Microsoft shared log from a May 22 reference to don't read is the target for the Gen 10 Xbox. Generation 10 Xbox, yeah. This also aligns with the recent Vigo comments about the next generation starting in 2028. Each new console cycle elicits a competitive dynamic with the Sony's PlayStations with a flexible hardware version and shaking things up. What reveals in this, despite being a bit on a Sony shadow, exposed fame spot on the consoles wars brings attractive expectations for their next gaming consoles. The flexible hardware angles also added together in it and could signal into potential shift in the gaming landscape. So yeah, that was my little the gaming ones, and that's the end of my AI news sessions. And I'm going to my second sessions, which is related to the AI research paper. For what is this? Today is there is two AI research paper I've been sharing to you, and one of the is it's the ambiguity aware in a context learning with the large language models. This research addresses challenges in selection of effective demonstrations for and contextual learning. The large language models, the proposals of ABIGIC methods mitigates LLM its sensitivity to promote some by considering a systematic stability, level ambiguity, and model and misclassifications with When choosing ICA demonstration, experiment on three text classification text and demonstrate substantially performance gains over a baselines method by leveraging the LLM existing language about the task. The approach provides more effective strategy for ICL, reducing the need for a task-specific fine-tuning while embracing performance, making it valuable contributions to the field of natural language processing and machine learning. So here the research paper, here the research paper which I've been reading once, and the large with and a context learning with a large language models. They are the people who have been working on the research paper. One who are they? They are from Toyota Technology Institution, Chasco, Google Research ones, Google Research, Google Research, Google Research, Google Research. So what is this? This is about the abstract, and there's you can see the introductions of increasing size of large language models. It was demonstrated strong downstream gains, fine-tuning these models in time and compute intensive. Yeah, that's increasing a large number and the sizing. Yes, zero shot and every diagram is showing large number predictions and a prediction how the model has been working in a background. Everything the results are there and they are coming up really, really great. I've been showing each and every time I've been coming up with really great these AI research papers. If you want this, do let me know in the comments. I will be sharing you. Yes, and that was my first research paper. And let's do it. And second one, AR are large language models based on evaluated the solutions to scaling up multi-girl evolutions. The research investigates the proportional of large language models as evaluated for scaling up multi-girl evaluating. It addresses the limitation of the current evolutions techniques, particularly for the languages beyond the top 20, which Lake systematic evaluations LLM-based evaluators can theoretically cover a wide range of languages without relying on human annotators, but their bias and performance need examination. The study conduct evaluations across three text generations tasks in eight languages, collaborating LLM-based judgments against the 20,000 human judgment findings, suggesting that the equations is necessary, particularly in low resources and non-Latin script languages, as LLM-based evaluators may exhibit biases towards the higher resources. So this one, my second area research ones are large language models based on elevated the solution of scaling up multi-goal evolutions. These are the people who have been working on this models, his papers, and his introductions to large language models performs impressively in many task series, surprising human level performance. So in a task in dominates, yeah, that is dominating and in every type of in every task of the work, explaining the setups, how they set open prompt, continue writing, summarizing, and data structures, LLM-based evaluator prompts, what are the should be your prompts, how should be put your prompts in a very effective way, and how they giving answer of the similar data set structure, full data structures, or model performing, yes, each and everything in this. How cool is that? And yes, you can show this graph of this they have been. Okay, then this is the name integrity and descriptions over there. The scoring of the model is open prompt given a short user prompt starting a question which is the roughly your task is to evaluate the completion with respect to the starting prompt and listed a set of the metrics for each metrics listed in a scores and well, yes, this looks good and think so it will be valuable for me as well if I go and copy this prompt and put over there in a chat GPT or something else. Yeah, it will give me really good insights. I think so. Yes, showing conclusions on this models. How cool this model is this. So that's my second session, and my third session related to the trading AI tools. First, trading AI tools is related to understand the better, communicate with the native speakers through the natural language listening exercises. So that was one of finally understand a native speaker's natural language listening success. It helps you jump into a conversations with the native speakers, natural language exercise, comprehensive quizzes, three difficult levels, 8 plus voices, 9 languages. Go and start learning. Go and register yourself in this. I think you find it very great tool. Yes, go and log in this or register it. And that was my first one. That's like Kangoo, a personal assistant to handle your calendar needs. That will be related to the calendar ones. You're a personal time assistant. Take your control of your day with ease and Kangoo guards your work-life balance and automatically solves your schedules for work meeting and your free time. Go, it is in the app store. Go and log in and download this app. Then we have a Picard, a design tools and screenshot and enhance for image makeups. Cool is that? This is a screenshot ones. I think it is, yeah, it's cool ones. It is a screenshot, code, charts, midway draw, memes, QR code, barcode, testimonial, everything in this. It's go and log in this and try this. This will be edit your tool image and everything. And this I think the badness context below inverted capacities. How cool is this image or this AI tool? So that was my third, and second one is Speechify. It transcript everything into audio for you to listen to. It will be transcript everything in audio. How cool is this? This is your new superpower. Let specify text to speech read you anytime, anywhere. Go and try this free versions. I have the try for free one. Go and log in. Try this tool. Looking real well to this. Then we have Monica AI. Learn anything faster with AI. Yes, this is one Monica learn about pricing. Your ultimate learning copilot. Create a quiz, flashcard, summarize in seconds, and share it with AI using on files. Go. It is for the students, for 1,000 plus students and educators have been exploring that. You've been using these tools. Sign up and log in. Yes, really great tool, very insightful tool. Then we have Forma AI, generated websites in a minute from a prompt that will generate your website and just a prompt. Go and start with AI. Success starts with your site. Really great tool. Go and sign up with a style. Yeah, that was creating a website with using AI. Then we have second last Resolve chat GPT powered customer services chatbot. It will be your customer service chatbot. Empower your business with AI agents. Go and use this AI agents that will scale up your business. Go and try this and sign up this tool. And then last, Clue AI, an intuitive yes platform to unify and assess your data. That will be great to let us smart search for your work apps. Effortlessly connects your favorite apps with you search, ask questions, and chat with your data. Go and log in and try this too. Yes, this tool is very good too. And that was my last section related to the AI training tools, and my last section is related to the prompt training. And my first prompt training I'm sharing to you is the ChatGPT prompt. What is the prompt? Is this? This is for the what things to consider to keep in a mind for someone's doing a task for the first time. Go and describe your task. Over the example over the task. What is the task? Starting a real estate of fame. Go and copy paste in the between these a task about this. It will give you really good prompt, a really good description about the prompt and details over there. Yes, if you try and push my video and try and copy this and paste it in your ChatGPT prompt, what AI tool you are using for, go and try this and explore it. It's great tool. Yeah, great prompt. And last is journey prompt. This is related to the modern app design tab. The tip of this following tip is credited to the Cheslin over at Twitter. He's an absolute wizard and on a million 100% worth and follow. Yeah, go and follow the Cheslin. Square modern iOS app logo designs for a type of app, iOS app icon simple UI flat designs and white background. Square modern iOS app logo design for an artificial intelligence app, iOS app icon, simple UI, flat design, and white background that will generate you copy and spread, and that will generate your app logo. And by using, if you are being creating your app and logo designs, and go and this use this prompt and put on your emergent prompt and explore it. And here's when they have been created with the help of this prompt. If you want to more like this, go and yes, change the descriptions and use it as your own. So yeah, that's it. That's it. My today's AI news and today's AI news feature newsletter. So I hope you like all my sections and let me know which sections you like more and tell me and let me know in my comments in YouTube channel. So I will be coming up real great news and next time. So thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.